How to find your blocked accounts on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to find your blocked account. Just watch the video until the end. The first step is to open your Instagram. Then when your Instagram is open, as you see, it's home. You go down and open your profile here. Then go to this three line at the top of the screen and click. Then go to settings and click, and then go to privacy and click. After that, go down and you will find here blocked accounts and click. Then you will find here a list of your blocked accounts. So I haven't blocked anyone before, so that's why you can't see anyone here. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.